So today we have some Lion King Ooshies waiting for their new friends to come. Here they come. Okay, now here are the Ooshies in their boxes, in their bags, waiting to come out. So why don't we? Let's go. So here's the first one. And we've got another golden diamond. Let's say something. Then another gold diamond. So we have 3 of them. And then we've got a golden nala. Oh, just put it in the nala. Okay. Then we have 1 more golden Simba, and he goes with his friend. There. Golden Mufasa. Okay, then he goes with his other friend. Oh look, we've got the rare legendary Spirit Mufasa, and he goes with his other friend.
Steady.
Steady. And then another Nala. And then Scar. That's a fail. This one. Golden Simba. Look, our 3rd golden Mufasa. Then also our 3rd golden Nala. Okay, let me guess. This one is going to be a double. And it is a 3rd Scar. I can trade with my friends all day. Then another Simba.